Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can already see from the title, I will be filming myself from dyeing my hair from blonde to ginger. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. So yes, you guys, let's just get straight into this video. So you can already see that, you know, my hair is already blonde, and I had footage from it, but my camera died, so as you can see now, I'm recording off my phone. So yeah. The colors I used were a Praline and a Caramel, and it came from a brand called Color Charm. And the first thing I did was mix both of those colors inside of a bowl, and I added developer. So the consistency that I ended up getting was like a thick consistency, and if you want to achieve the color I got, yes, keep it thick or just keep it at like a creamy type, pudding type consistency. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, keep it thick. So yes, but if you want it like, you know, a bit lighter, I'll add a bit more developer, but I ended up running out, so I had no choice. So yes, that stuff got thick, and yeah, that's what happened after that. So yeah, so after that, eventually I ended up getting the consistency that I wanted, and I just, you know, started putting it in my head. So I didn't really have a way to it. After I bleached my hair, I just wanted to cover up, like, you know, where everything was light. So I just went in with the color, and I just started in the front of my head because I feel like that's more important. Like, you know, everybody's going to be looking at the front of your head, so you want to make sure you get majority of the front of your head before you head over to the back. So that's what I did. So after that, I applied it everywhere, and don't mind my facial expressions. The dye was like super strong, and I had my doors like closed, so like, you know, the aroma and everything was not really, you know, my best friend at the time. But yes, like I said, I'm just going in and, like, you know, just putting it everywhere in my hair because the blonde was not working. Like, it really looked bad. Like, I really didn't get as much dye as I did in my head, so it just didn't really turn out the way the blonde was just not looking good. So yeah, I'm applying it all in my hair, and yeah, this is just, you know, me just applying the dye and almost dyeing while applying the dye. So yeah, let's just take a few minutes to look at that. Almost done here, just, you know, bringing the color all out throughout my hair. Yeah, I don't mind that, you know, like I said, I was about to dye, then yeah, almost died. Yeah. So yeah, then I had to walk out the bathroom because, you know, like I said, I was about to die. So yeah, next clip. So after that, I allowed the dye to sit on my head until it turned like a dark brown. And it sat on my head for like 10, 15 minutes. And then after that, I washed it out with the As I Am Cowash. So after I washed it out with the As I Am Cowash, as you can see, I just started looking at myself because I don't know, I do those type of things in the mirror. But yeah, this is the color I got after, like, you know, I washed it out with the Cowash. And it was like more of like a dark brown. Like, you can't really see the color unless you're in the sun, which you're going to see at the end of the video. But yeah, it gave me like a dark brown. Just giving you guys, like, you know, a glance of how my whole head looks, and this is how it looks wet. It kind of looks a bit nasty to me. I don't know why, but after I retwisted my locks and everything, it looked a bit better because at first I wasn't really feeling the color. But yes, after that, I went in with the deep conditioning, and I got this from Target. I don't know, I got it because it was like cheap and I needed a deep conditioner at the time, so I always use, like, you know, this whenever I do deep condition. But after you do bleach or dye your hair any color, it's always best to go in with a nice deep conditioner because you can be putting a lot of stress and stuff on your hair. So you want to make sure you're able to restore the hair follicles with the deep conditioner. So yes, as you can see, I'm just, you know, evenly distributing this deep conditioner all throughout my hair. I'm not even gonna lie, I use a lot of deep conditioner. Like, I like to go in with the lot whenever it comes to my hair because I don't want any damage done. So then after that, I went in with this rice water, and I made this rice water myself. It's been fermenting for about a few months. I want to say about 7 or 6 months I've had it, and it's been fermenting inside the refrigerator. So yes, I poured it inside of a 360 water bottle, and I just sprayed it throughout my hair in order to get extra protein while deep conditioning. And you don't have to do this, but I needed this because I hadn't had a protein treatment in I don't know how long. So yes, I sprayed this all over my head, and then I went in with the neem oil. And the neem oil is really good, but it has like a really bad smell to it, so be careful with it. I only used a little bit of it. But yeah, I use the neem oil because like it's good for growth, it's good for moisture, and it's good for like, you know, most importantly, growth. And I feel like that's always important. You want healthy hair and you want growth as well. So yes, neem oil is a good oil to use in your hair while deep conditioning. So I put this on after I sprayed the rice water inside of my head. So then after that, I grabbed a plastic bag and I'm just gonna put this over my head so I can deep condition. And I deep condition for like a good, I want to say 30-40 minutes because I ended up eating lunch and cleaning up my mess, and that took a while. So yeah, I deep conditioned for about a good 30 to 40 minutes. So yeah, after that, I ended up rinsing it out of my hair, and this was like, you know, this was it. After I deep conditioned and got the color, this was it. And then I ended up, you know, spraying a leave-in conditioner inside of my hair. Yes, I sprayed a leave-in conditioner inside of my hair, and then I went in with a macadamia oil. And you can use any type of deep conditioner or macadamia oil. This is the products I had on hand, so this is what I went with. So yes, I used a little of that and I put it evenly throughout my hair. And then after that, I started to section off my hair so I could get ready to retwist. This is just a few clips of me just, you know, retwisting my locks and showing you guys, like, you know, what I do when I have to retwist it, because I really don't retwist my own hair. I really get it professionally done. But yes, this is all this part is. It's just me, you know, showing you guys, like, you know, how I try to retwist my hair, because like I said, I don't retwist my hair. I usually get it professionally done. So as you can see, I ended up using some type of mango and lime locking gel. That was my first time using it, and I really didn't, you know, have any, you know, bad experiences with it. That was my first time, and it wasn't so bad. And I would highly recommend like any gel when it comes to retwisting locks, because you don't really want to use the wax, because the wax will, like, you know, make your hair hard. So if any gel works for your hair, just do that. But if you're more of a wax person, I mean, don't, whatever. But yeah, I went in with the gel, and that's what I did. And I locked my hair, retwist my hair, whatever. And I also used the palm rolling method. I don't know if my loctician uses this method. That was just the only method I knew about. So I was like, let me just use it to retwist my hair. So yes, I got the first row done, and you can't really see, like, you know, the parts, but yeah, here's like half of my head done with, like, you know, the half of my head. And yeah, that's half of my head is complete. Oh, just giving you guys a little bit 360. So yes, this is my whole head, and I ended up, you know, finishing it. And it took me about a good, I want to say 2 hours, maybe 3, in order to retwist, because I kept stopping and going. So yes, it took a total of like 3 hours by myself. So yes, then after that, I'm gonna put a little mousse. And this is a Fantasia aloe vera gel type mousse, something with wheat protein. It's actually really good, like, you know, when you want to, like, you know, blow dry your hair with anything. But I like to put this over my locks in order to get rid of any type of frizz and just give it an extra shine. So then after that, I blow dried it with a hand blow dryer, and this took about a good hour, maybe 2. So yes, I did that, and then eventually I got finished, and, you know, I took out all my little lovely pins, and yeah, and this is how I achieved that color. So this clip is just me showing you in the lights, I guess the sun of me, like, you know, of how I got the color. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I know it might feel rushed, but, you know, just wanted to give you guys a straightforward video. So yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Bye.